car.
It's another reason I don't work on it right there. This is too nice to even be in my shop. Doors shut up like new. That's probably the most expensive thing I'll ever have on my trailer, ever. So, there it is, loaded up, ready to go. Let's go. Okay, we're gassed up and ready to go. By the way, I got some signage, as Derek calls it. Got some signage for my new YouTube channel, so follow me at Dead Car Rescue. Hope that gets me some more subscribers. I got my Coke, got my candy bar, got my crackers, got my nasty old cigarettes, and we're heading out of here. That is that car right there. I see it's got chrome wheels on it, just like that too. And that was a '64. This was a GM showcar.
Yeah.
At what, like the?
It went to Detroit.
Autorama kind of thing.
Kind of like the new car shows. They were promoting the '64 El Camino.
Okay.
Because it was coming back out on the Chevelle platform. So they, styling department did this. They called it a design study car or something like that. So it had a lot of really one-off stuff.
I had one of those cars, not like that. The '64. Mine had power windows, tilt wheel, air conditioning.
This car had power windows.
And
It's car.
I sold it for a song back in the '80s, early '80s.
That's what it's got.
Yeah, didn't know. Wow, this is the car too. That's what I love.
It's the only one.
I love to see original, like, cars with old photos of them.
It had a kind of a tan and gold color with some flip-flop pearl on it when they had it on the show surface. It went to New York, Detroit, and Chicago, I know. Maybe others.
And it's got the original 327 engine in it
300 horsepower.
that come out. That engine was in that car in that picture, right?
All of this, like chrome bolt heads, chrome bolts, all these brackets. GM did all that. Before that,
GM did it all.
they leaded the firewall. This leaded all that. Every seam was leaded on the car and smooth
General Motors did this, folks.
beyond, what a production car would be. All this stuff, they chrome, clutch crossover.
Still got the old polyester tires. Those are probably, if he didn't drive it much, those are probably
Over
just
the road, I'm not sure.
like the car, like the tires that was on it in the picture there.
These actually, he had new wheels made for the whole car. These are 15s.
Okay,
When it was on the show circuit, they had 15s on it.
okay.
When they let it out, I don't even know how it got out of the company. Usually they don't do that, but however, it had 14s on it when it was released, and that's to the original front wheels right there, and he got the original wheels. But anyway, he had a reproduction wheels made like the ones that it had on it.
That's cool.
It's an interesting.
So was this a power window car?
Yes.
Okay.
They actually had a console and had moved the power window switches to the console, which they never did on the production cars.
Mine were on the door.
Yeah,
Okay.
that's the way they were.
So this one was
This
custom.
one was custom.
So they had a console in it. Mine didn't have a console either. Mine had a straight bench seat, automatic on the
Had
column.
buckets and a console. And interesting on the interior. Like I said, it was done in a western kind of motif, and the seats were. It was all silver. This is really a unique car.
It is. It really is. And this old truck here, what's this?
This is a 55 that I've worked on off and on for quite a long time. The chassis is in there, in there. I'm buffing it out right now. It's a tube frame. This is the show type vehicle here. A lot of one-off stuff. I cut it up every way you can imagine. Made
Oh yeah.
all kinds of that. That's all handmade. All the console, made all that just out of flat metal.
Well, you do nice work.
Thank you. 55 car dash. Made all that up there. Very
Oh yeah.
Sectioned at the bottom is sectioned in a wedge section to make it change the profile of it. That sat for a little while and several.
Is that the transmission tunnel?
That's the one that goes in the bed.
The bed.
On the frame inside the bed. Yeah. Lots of panels and handmade pieces. Tons of them. We actually got a 409.
Oh really?
Yeah.
Got a 409 Chevrolet motor. I haven't seen one of those.
I smoothed it all up, hand ground everything, and
Wow.
slicked it up, and all the components that go on.
We were just talking about a 409 the other day.
Yeah.
A friend of mine, he said, nope, most people don't know what they are. I said, that was a 348's big brother.
Yep. Exactly. They're really odd motors the way they're designed. Part of the block is combustion chamber. I've got a lot of my life invested in this truck.
I love to visit people that's real clean and neat and do stuff like you do. If I worked for you, you'd fire me the first day.
You have to have a little bit of mess or not.
There's just a car.
That's my old car. That's a 39 Ford.
39 Ford.
I've had that 10 years at least. Bought that down in Texas. But you don't get to work on your own.
No, that's what I heard.
This is the chassis of that 55 truck here.
Okay. Wow.
It's all inbuilt.
Wow, that's the prettiest thing I believe I've ever seen, except for my wife.
You better say that.
Yes, sir. I got to say that.
Yeah, it's a lot of work into that.
Now, who built that?
The main section of the frame, cross member to cross member,
Yeah.
was built by Keith Moritz up by Washington, Missouri.
Okay.
And then I added all of these tubes here.
This is powder coated, right?
No, it's painted.
It's painted.
Actually, I bombed over and flicked every weld joint.
Wow, it looks powder
Primed it,
coated.
blocked it, and I added the rear section on and the front section. But he and I kind of worked together on doing it years ago.
That is really neat.
It's a one of one.
I see you buffing frame too.
That's what I'm doing right now. Getting ready to. That old 39 of mine was garage in Texas. 61 was the last time it was live. It never ran since then. So I bought it and brought it up here.
And this one will be done, what, you say, about 20 years? Because it's his own car?
It depends on how long I live. I live long enough.
If you live long enough.
I can catch it in here. I'm getting
Is that the engine?
Yeah, that's going to be my flathead I'm building for. Someone had actually put a small block Chevy in that car in the 50s.
Is that the transmission?
No, I'm running a late model.
Okay.
Drive.
Oh, okay, okay.
4-speed overdrive out of 87 Ford pickup. I had Nostalgia Sid drop my front axle for me out in Oklahoma.
Wow.
I'm just trying to, if I get an hour here and there, I try to work on it. Very often.
So I take it you're retired?
No,
No? I mean, this is what you do
that's what I do.
for a living?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. I got you.
I don't want to retire.
Well, I'm 68. I don't know how old you are,
I'm 62.
but I drive a truck. And
Well, I grew up in a trucking family.
he said, when will you quit? I said, probably when I can't get in the truck no more. I can't go.
I grew up in a trucking family. My grandpa hauled livestock, timber back in
There's an old Mercury dash. I stopped.
Those fenders I got with that 39 when I bought it, NOS, they've never been on a car.
Never been on a car. Wow.
The fellow that had that had a lot of cars to restore it. He just never, he kind of like me, he never got around.